Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to sync a shared OneDrive folder directly to your computer, so it's always just a click away whenever you need it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to ensure your important shared files are available locally, even when you're offline or if your internet connection is spotty. Let's dive right in. If you've already added a shared OneDrive folder but it's not showing up in File Explorer, don't worry, there's a simple fix. First, we're going to check your sync settings on your PC, as this is a common hiccup point. Move your mouse to the bottom right of your screen and look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray along your taskbar. Sometimes, it hides among your other background apps, so you might need to click the little upward arrow to find it. Once you spot that cloud, right-click it and select the settings or the little gear icon. This opens a control panel where you can fine-tune exactly how OneDrive works on your device. Head over to the Account tab. Here you'll find an option called Choose Folders. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a list of all the folders currently linked to your OneDrive account. Now this part is crucial. Scroll through the list and find the name of the shared folder you're looking for. There should be a checkbox beside it. If it's unchecked, it means OneDrive isn't actually pulling the contents of that shared folder down to your computer, which is why it's missing in File Explorer. Check that box and hit OK or Apply. Give OneDrive a few moments. The files will start syncing down, appearing magically in your File Explorer. A quick tip here. Don't worry if the folder takes a minute or two to show up, especially if it's large or packed with files. OneDrive needs to download everything, so this is totally normal. You'll know it's working if you see little sync icons on your files. Now, by default, OneDrive tries to save you hard drive space by keeping shared folders online only. That means the files will show up in File Explorer, but you'll notice a little blue cloud icon next to them. If you double-click, OneDrive will quickly fetch the file from the cloud. This setup is great for smaller drives or if you don't need the content all the time. But what if you need access when you're traveling or your internet isn't reliable? Here, how to make sure those files are always ready no matter what. In File Explorer, right-click the shared folder you just synced. In the menu, choose Always Keep on this device. What this does is tell OneDrive. Download every file in this folder and save a copy. The files will shift from the blue cloud icon to a solid green check, letting you know they're downloaded and available offline. This is perfect if you need to access work documents on a plane or you're heading somewhere without reliable internet. A quick reassurance, making a folder available offline can take up more storage depending on its size. If you ever need to free up space, you can right-click and select Free Up Space to put the files back to online only. And there you go. Your shared OneDrive folder is now fully synced and you're in control of where and how your files are stored. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I check them regularly and love helping out. If this tutorial made your life easier, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more clear, helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.